last spotlight of the day is going to be by José Eduardo Ochoa-Luna from the Universidad Católica de San Pablo in Peru.
Hello. Hello, my name is José Eduardo Ochoa-Luna. I am assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science at Universidad Católica San Pablo. This is in Arequipa, Peru. So first of all, I'm going to talk about my city, Arequipa. Arequipa is the second largest city of Peru. It's located in the south of the country, in the middle of the Peruvian desert. Arequipa is known as the White City because its main historical buildings are made from sillar. Sillar is a kind of white volcano stone. So as you can see in this picture, we have a volcano. This is the most prominent volcano, the Misty volcano. In fact, we have 3 volcanoes. The last picture is our university, UCSP campus. It's near River Chile. Now the Department of Computer Science, we have an undergraduate program in computer science, a master program in computer science, and our research center. But in this presentation, I want to emphasize our master program because it's the main source of artificial intelligence research. So this master program is funded by Concytec, which is the main institution of Peru that promotes science and technology. And that allows us to run the program in full time. This is the only one in Peru that is a full-time master program in computer science. So we have students from several cities, Lima, Arequipa, Puno, Cusco, Iquitos. In our last selection process, we had about 100 candidates and 20 selected. The program lasts almost 2 years. We have a technical background course, thesis course, and it's a dedicated space for 40 students. This space is open 24 hours, 6 weeks a day. The process of our master program, in our program is English is important. It's mandatory to present works and research. We have a partial defense. It's a mix of UCSP staff plus external staff. And our final defense, 70% should be external international staff. And to do that, we have a strong connection with Brazilian colleagues, but we also have some collaboration from Europe and USA. Obviously, all the committee members are Ph.D.s. So now our artificial intelligence research. In the past, we have had some projects in these areas, vehicle license plate recognitions, face recognitions, and recognition of violent actions. So that experience allows us to get more funding to some projects. This ongoing project called Data Science in Education is also funded by Concytec. This funding allows us to hire 6 new full-time researchers. And in this project, we want to analyze data from educational environments in order to get main 3 objectives. The first is to apply violent analysis in order to detect violent actions, bullying, and degree of attention of the student in classes. Second objective is to apply social network analysis algorithms, sentiment analysis algorithms in order to detect cyberbullying in social networks. And finally, to apply simulation of socioeconomic and academic analysis variables in order to identify dropout and poor school performance in school. A second project, which is an ongoing project also, is called Data Science in Politics and Health. In this case, our goal is to analyze data from social network in order to detect trends related to politics and health. We have 4 research involved. It's also funded by Concytec, and we have a collaboration with the University of Buenos Aires through Viviana Kotick. And in this project, we have 2 main objectives. In the first part, we want to use natural language processing algorithms in order to predict the engagement of people about politicians or political issues. And in the second objective, we want to analyze medical resources, for instance, health news, on PubMed, and so on, in order to detect or to predict outbreaks of diseases such as measles, Chagas, Guillain-Barré. Our focus is on Latin American diseases. Finally, we have a global intercultural project experience. This project is funded by DAT from Germany. It's an ongoing project, and in this first year of our project, we have about 5 researchers and 20 students. This is a collaboration with 3 more universities, WH from Germany, ATMA from Indonesia, and NAS from Namibia. And in our site, we want to develop artificial intelligence algorithms in order to recommend research funding opportunities in academic social networks. So overall, this is the main AI topics that we are developing in our department in terms of data science, deep learning, probabilistic graphical models, data visualization, computer vision, video and image analysis, segmentation using artificial intelligence, natural language processing algorithms. We emphasize the Spanish language, so we develop Spanish sentiment analysis, matching translation, Spanish to English, English to Spanish, and Spanish question answering. We also research different formal learning, optimization, heuristics, simulation, and model checking. In the image, you can see our UCSP faculty. Alex Cuadros is the head of our department. Eric Gomez, myself, Ivan, Renzo, all these guys did their Ph.D. in Brazil. And we are lucky to have external collaborators from several institutions, such as Fundação Getúlio Vargas, Brazil, ETH, Switzerland, Aalborg University of Denmark, and Universidade Federal Ouro Preto, Brazil. Finally, I want to invite you to see some of our research of our master's student here in Khipu in the next few days. We have 7 posters. The topics range from GANs for image synthesis, pain intensity estimation using deep learning, anomaly detection using generative models, aggressive language identification using deep learning, toolkit for reinforcement learning, image-to-image translation, and sentiment analysis using transfer learning. Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you for the Khipu organizers for this opportunity.
Any questions? Question? Where's the microphone? Oh, cool.
First of all, congrats. You have developed an incredible master program. But about that, what do you think is like the biggest gap or the biggest lack or missing in undergraduate studies in Peru about computer science? Which do you think is missing?
See, yeah, there is a gap in terms of the standard. Unfortunately, in Peru, we have Ingeniería de Sistemas, which is more popular than computer science. We have also few department of computer science. I think there were 4 or 3 universities from computer science. I think the main gap is this change the mentality of authorities of the other universities to develop more programs in computer science and undergraduate.
Cool. One last round of applause.